Welcome to our lab space. Prepare for an incredible journey through the world of maker culture, a passionate movement that is revolutionizing the way we create, learn, and innovate. Let's discover together how anyone can become a maker and turn ideas into reality. Maker culture is a movement that encourages the creation, construction, and customization of objects with their own hands. With roots in the DIY movement and crafts, maker culture combines traditional skills with modern technologies. The maker movement has its roots in several historical movements, such as the craft movement and DIY punk of the 70s and 80s. With the advent of the internet and the democratization of technologies, maker culture has gained new momentum. One of the pillars of maker culture are the new affordable technologies such as 3D printers, laser cutters, and DIY electronics kits. These tools allow anyone to turn ideas into reality. Makerspaces are collaborative spaces where makers can share tools, resources, and knowledge. These spaces foster innovation and community, allowing people of all ages and abilities to work together. Maker culture is revolutionizing education by promoting hands-on learning and problem-solving. In addition, it has impacted entrepreneurship by offering a platform for rapid prototyping and innovative product development. At the heart of maker culture, software plays a crucial role. Two powerful examples are Scratch and mBlock. Scratch, developed by MIT, is a visual programming language that allows children and beginners to learn to code in a fun and intuitive way. mBlock, based on Scratch, is a platform that combines programming and robotics, allowing the creation of interactive designs with sensors and actuators. These tools not only teach programming logic, but also stimulate creativity and problem-solving. Now, let's see how to get started with mBlock and ensure that your file is safe. First, go to the official mBlock website and download the installer. It's important to always download software from official sources to ensure security. After downloading, check the file using a reliable antivirus to make sure it is safe. After checking the file, proceed with the installation. The process is simple and intuitive, guiding you step by step. Once installed, open mBlock and get ready to have fun programming your first project. In mBlock, you can program using visual blocks similar to Scratch. Now comes the exciting part. Let's create an amazing program to control a robot. First, let's set up the desktop. Remove any connected devices if necessary and select the Characters tab. Here you can choose the elements you will control. Now let's select a category of blocks. Explore the options and choose the one that catches your attention. Each category offers different types of commands that you can use to bring your project to life. Finally, select the blocks that will execute the desired commands. Drag and connect the blocks in the programming area. For example, you can add motion blocks and sensors to control a robot. That's it. You created your first block programming. My congratulations. It's really magical to see your ideas turn into reality in such an interactive and fun way. Feel the thrill of seeing your robot come to life before your eyes. Maker culture is transforming the way we think about creation and innovation. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always something new to explore and learn. Join us on this journey and start creating,